absolutely, and we will end up winning. But Shreya ji, keeping that aside, if you look at the numbers, also your numbers itself are showing that the people of Haryana haven't rejected anybody. The people of Haryana are definitely with us. And even if I go by the trends that you're showing, 34 is not a small number, right? So it is not like it was showing in the earlier trends or in the exit polls that the BJP is probably going to land up at 15, 20 or such a thing. So Congress party is very much in the race and we are definitely going to win. However, I must say that just yesterday there was a statement of Mr. Saini where he was saying, don't worry, system to hai hamare paas, hum hi jeetenge. System hai hamare paas ka kya matlab hota hai? Are system to ECI ke paas hota hai. ये वाला सिस्टम कौन सा है? इसलिए आज मुझे शिवम छाबड़ा जी की एक बात तो बिल्कुल सही लग रही है. कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि वो सही हो जाए.
का सिस्टम है, हरियाणा की जनता का सिस्टम है सुजाता जी.
नहीं, अभी तो रिजल्ट आए नहीं. शिवम जी, अभी रिजल्ट नहीं आए है. ना आप पूछ सकते हैं ना मैं. हम दोनों को बराबरी से संयम बरतने की जरूरत है.
हमारे पास जनता का सिस्टम है.
नहीं,
आपके पास में फैक्ट्रियों में आप जलेबी बनाते हैं.
दिख रहा है. नहीं,
हमारे पास जनता का सिस्टम है. पीपल ट्रस्ट.
अरे दूर से देखा आप जलेबी उछाल रहे थे.
Unfortunately, you don't have it. Now we don't make gold out of potato. Now we don't make jalebis in factories. Jalebis always sold on the nukkad.
अच्छा सुनिए.
Jalebis always.
The jalebi party is on hold right now.
We are giving solutions to the youth, to the women, to sportspersons, to the general people of Haryana when we talk about their issues. So let's understand one thing, that the election, that the results are still far away, because only 50% a few minutes back was said that is over by the ECI. So we have to wait, no? Why are you losing control of yourself? क्या लूटना है?
Okay, we'll wait. But I asked you. चलिए, Sujata Di, तो asked you a very simple question before I get in, Mr. Nehra. I asked you a very simple question. Till what time should we wait? Till what time will the Congress party tell us that okay, now these leads and these trends are good to go? कितने बजे तक?
Shreya ji, what happens is कि अगर margin कम है, then we will have to wait till the last minute for that result, in that particular seat. But when you're talking about the numbers, and if you look at the margins, like you said, 20 seats, it's very, very close. So 34 can easily become 54, right? And 49 can easily come down to what? To 29. So we need to wait and watch, and presuming that 75% comes to us, then also it would mean a 15 out of 20 which comes to us, and that would give us a win. So we have to be on our toes, and we are not taking it easy. We might not be 24/7 in election mode. We might be in governance mode after elections when we come to power. We are not like the BJP. So we have to be on our toes right now. Absolutely, I agree to you, and I'm not going by what the exit polls have said. We always take them with a pinch of salt, because we have borne the brunt of the exit polls the maximum, and therefore, when you talk about Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir, if you look at both the results, in Jammu Kashmir, everybody was saying that it wouldn't be a clear mandate, but look at the mandate; it's been absolutely clear. One thing is for sure, that in Haryana, it has become completely bipolar. And I remember I was on a show with you when Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh elections took place, and I said that the elections are turning bipolar, and now this has come to a completion, because if you see JJP and INLT in Haryana, they're completely wiped out. But of course, there are various other things also which need to be looked into. And as far as we are concerned, we are still focusing on those seats where the margins are very low. Having said that, what we are also looking at, and we have been very vocal about it, is the fact that Ram Rahim got bail and Engineer Rashid got bail in Jammu and Kashmir. But of course, when you are in a state of lockdown for a number of years, then people, what they're thinking probably does not reach the analysts and the psychologists so clearly, and that can be said about Jammu Kashmir. However, when we talk about Haryana, the fact that it has become bipolar and the margins are becoming so narrow, this is also showing that we will also need to work much harder next time. But this time, I am dead sure that 20 odd seats are going to, turn turtle completely wherever the margins are low. Yes, you were focusing on Haryana, and I'm thrilled to talk about Jammu and Kashmir, because Jammu and Kashmir, everybody had predicted that it would be a hung assembly. Here we are going to form the government, and the people of Jammu and Kashmir, because they lost their statehood, they have rejected the Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party can keep talking about abrogation of Article 370, about Pakistan, but we are talking about the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And the people of Jammu and Kashmir do understand that it is the NC Congress combine which will give them their own government. And that is why this is such a pleasant day for us, because this is the crown of India that we have won. And with the crown of India coming into our, into our jholi, so to speak, we are going to move forward and win the entire country. And Shivam Chhabra has to be very, very careful, because this is where it starts from the mastisk, from the mastak. And we will go right across, because that's where the brain functions from. It was only because the Supreme Court wanted that elections were held. Not because of the BJP. BJP want अरे नगर निकाय चुनाव तो करवा नहीं पा रहे आप महाराष्ट्र उत्तराखंड में.
On the floor of the House said,
we are तो क्या जाता है, जुमले भी कहीं जाते हैं ना.
अरे भाई आप तो खुद
जुमले भी तो कहीं जाते हैं.
ग्रैंड ओल्ड पार्टी अपने बलबूते जम्मू कश्मीर चुनाव नहीं ले पा रही है. मुझे तो दुख इस बात का है.
आप तो अपना कैंडिडेट नहीं खड़ा कर पा रहे कश्मीर में.
ग्रैंड ओल्ड पार्टी could not fight the elections on its own in Jammu and Kashmir. मुझे दुख इस बात का है. चिंता मत कीजिए. मुझे इस बात का है भाई, हम तो छोटी पार्टी है. आपके अनुसार हम छोटी पार्टी है ना. अभी तो हम आए हैं. आप तो ग्रैंड ओल्ड पार्टी है.
हाँ, हम तो ग्रैंड ओल्ड पार्टी है.
देश की स्वाधीनता में
दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी पार्टी है, और आपको जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों ने नकार दिया.
अरे बिल्कुल है, उसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है. नंबर स्पीक सुजाता जी. Number speak, not we. Number speak, madam.
नहीं.
No, and humble speak.
भाई नैरेटिव की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं ना आपको अल्टीमेटली नेशनल कांग्रेस का सहारा चाहिए था.
I want to remind सुजाता जी, I want to remind you of one thing. सुजाता जी, अच्छा सुनिए. अच्छा आप दोनों सुनिए. अब
आप जा रहे थे ना पीडीपी के साथ.
अरे 1 मिनट शिवम,
किसी चीज से पीछे नहीं हटना पड़ा.
आप जा रहे थे पीडीपी के साथ.
शिवम जी एंड सुजाता जी, अरे भैया आप दोनों प्लीज 2 मिनट चुप हो जाओ.
लेते हैं आपके चाय चरित्र चेहरे का क्या कहना है, बताइए. This is the democracy that I've been talking about, that there will be seats which will go to every party which is contesting. But remember that we are basically a federal structure, and we have always given space to the regional parties. So if we contested on less number of seats and were in an alliance with the National Conference, we want the people of Jammu and Kashmir also to have faith in themselves and to understand that their own parties are also getting a platform. What is wrong with that? And when we take a back seat, we have seen in the past that it has harmed us. Hang on, let me please complete. But that does not mean that we will go back on it, because it is important for people to recognize their power, their parties, and that is what we have done in Jammu and Kashmir. And this win is a win for the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Good news.